Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You've opened the document and you want readable text now. First, select the text you want to change. You can click and drag or press Ctrl+A to select all. Next, look at the Home tab and locate the font group. That box showing a number is the font size control. You use this because it directly sets point size, which determines how large your characters render on screen and in print. Making sure the right style is targeted prevents surprises later. Once the font size box is visible, click the drop-down to pick a preset like 11 or 12, or type a specific number such as 14. 5 and press Enter to apply a custom size. You can also use the smaller buttons next to the box to step sizes up or down, which is handy for comparing looks. For speed, use Ctrl+ to increase by 1 point and Ctrl+ to decrease by 1 point. These keyboard tweaks let you iterate quickly without interrupting your flow. After choosing the right size, save your document and use Format Painter to copy that size to other text blocks quickly. If you want every new document to use this size, open the font dialog via the launcher arrow and click Set as default for the normal template. If sizes don't apply, check whether you selected text versus a paragraph, whether a style is overriding formatting, or if track changes or protection prevents edits. Resolving those will restore normal font adjustment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.